Hello everyone, Dan Hurd with Dan Hurd Prospecting here. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm on the Thompson River on a beautiful, beautiful late January day. Yes, this is the middle of winter. Can you believe it? I get suntan out here right now. Oh, it's beautiful. And I am going to learn how to use a newfangled gold pan, the Batea Gold Pan. No, it's not a newfangled gold pan. In fact, it's probably one of the oldest style gold pans out there. This gold pan is used in developing countries all over the world. It's a very old style gold pan. Apparently works very well. And today, I am going to learn how to use it. Come here to the Thompson River because, well, you can't get a more beautiful spot than this to enjoy this kind of day. And there's pretty nice gold here. So let's go learn how to use the Batea pan on the Thompson River. I hope you enjoy. So my friend Mark over at Gold Stream Plaster Supplies said that he got this new product in, the Batea Gold Pan. He said, Dan, you got to try one. So I had him send me one, and I'm going to give it a shot. I've never used one before. I have watched videos, I've seen people use them, but I've never tried one myself. So today, I get to try it for the first time on camera. I'm not guaranteeing it's going to be great. I'm not guaranteeing it's going to be successful. We're going to learn this one together. I know the trick with the Batea is lots of spinning. Lots of swirling and spinning. The idea here with this cone is that the heavies sit all down in the very, very bottom. And as you spin, it washes the lighter stuff over the outside edge. And because it's spinning, the heavies are constantly working their way sort of into the center rather than out over the edge and staying in the bottom deep cone. That's the theory. Let's go see how it works. What a day. Isn't this gorgeous? Hopefully a train will come by soon. So I'm not sure if Batea Gold Pan is quite the right pronunciation of it. And, you know, since Batea is probably just a foreign word for gold pan, I'm probably saying gold pan, gold pan. But I think over here, when we say a Batea pan, we're really talking about that cone-shaped gold pan. Someone who speaks the language, leave me a comment. Tell me if I'm actually saying it right. Batea Gold Pan. Sunshine! Bright sun! Bright sun! So I'm going to dig and classify myself a bucket of material, then go find a comfortable place to sit while I pan it all out. Of course, I'm going to use the Arbor Fabrications classifier today because it is the best. We'll get ourselves half a bucket or something and then go off and see how that pan actually works. And for all of you who think I might be throwing away nuggets here, this whole area here is all just flood gold. We don't get big nuggets up on this flat area. We get really, really fine stuff. If I was digging down in the bigger rocks down there, I don't get nearly as much gold, but you have a chance of bigger stuff. I would probably use a bigger classifier there. I don't waste time looking through my classifier afterwards. I guess we won't go too full to start with. Let's give it a shot. Even though the weather is really nice, it's still a little bit too chilly in the water for bare hands. Let's get the gloves on. Okay, mix her up nicely. Stratify it, get all the heavies down to that bottom corner. And then start the swirl going. Stratify again. Get more water in there. Let's get her swirling. Oh yeah, there we go. The next one I'll get the camera in nice and close so you can see a close-up action of that happening. If you're an expert with one of these, give me pointers. I'd be glad to take pointers. I am not an expert with this pan. Oh yeah, you can see the black sands concentrating in the bottom now. Almost pure black sand at the bottom now. Let's see what I've got. Don't see any gold. Oh, I see a piece of gold. Woohoo! There's some gold. Now, what I saw from the videos is people taking handfuls of water and swooshing it through. Oh yeah, I see why. Look at that. Oh, look at the gold. Camera captured that? 2 nice pieces of gold in there. 3. Well, one's tiny. Oh yeah. I revert to what I know here. But yes, we got gold. 4 or 5 pieces of gold in there. Might be more underneath the black sand. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave the gold in, put more sand on top, and see if I still get that gold the next time. Yep, let's try it again. Give it another shot. Get the camera in closer this time. Now, as I said, this kind of pan is used all over the world, a lot in developing countries by artisanal miners. And a lot of these pans, you'll see in these third world countries, are made out of wood. They're carved out of one solid piece of wood. Some of them are just pieces of old tin hammered out. I kind of wonder if sort of Western technology were to take over this kind of pan, of what developments it would get. You look at the flat pans out there and you wonder if that's not just a sort of offshoot of a Batea pan. I could see once I had the technique down a bit better, this would be easier to maintain the spiral going. Right now I'm not very good with the technique. Keeping water coming into the pan at the same rate it's coming out of the pan. Definitely getting down to black sands in the bottom though. A lot of black sand in this one. I do like that big, long, flat surface, so you can really watch to see if any gold's going out when you're finishing off the blacks here. So I wonder if that gold I put in there, or I left in there, is still in there. I see some gold at the back there. That's good. Right up there. We don't want to lose him. All back into the back. Oh, I saw a big piece. A bigger piece. Still just a flake, but a bigger flake. It's poking through right now. There's a nice one. And we're getting that nicely. There's a bigger flake. Looks like one on top of the other. Might be attached together. Another bigger one there. Lots of little stuff. Oh yeah, look at it all. Turn the camera. That's what we're talking about. Little tiny flake up there. Bring them back. That. Well, there we go. I won't get any cleaner than that in my pan without just sucking it up anyways, my regular pan. So let's leave it at that. There's my first attempt at a Batea pan. So that was my first attempt with the Batea pan, and so far so good. It would definitely take a little bit of practice to get that technique just right. But it seemed to hold, well, it seemed to catch gold. I'm not sure how much I lost, but I seemed to catch gold quite nicely. And very interesting technique. Unfortunately, I can't spend all that much time here today. because the real reason for my trip was to go and check out a new claim I have by Lytton. So I want to take advantage of that gorgeous sun when I get to the new claim. So I'm just going to pack it up with that, just a little bit of gold today. It's not much, but hey, it gave a good test of that pan. And we're going to go off to the new claim and see what's there. Now, if you want to see more from the Thompson River claim here, I have lots of videos from the Thompson River claim. I'll leave a link at the end of my video to a whole playlist of all sorts of Thompson River videos, where we had the high banker going, all sorts of stuff. Please go have a look, see what you missed in the past. Thank you all for watching. A very special thanks to all my patrons for supporting me. Because of your support, patrons, I have gas money to come and do this kind of stuff. So thank you so much for your support. Please remember to leave a like to the video. It helps YouTube know that my videos are worth watching and tells other people they're worth watching. Please also leave a comment to what you think of that Batea pan. If you do want to get one for yourself, contact Mark at Goldstream Plaster Supplies. He does have them in stock. I don't get any kickbacks from it. Mark's just an awesome guy to deal with. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, please do so and make sure you hit that bell icon so you know every time a new video comes out. You don't miss an episode. So until the next one, everyone, bye!